this lesson, we'll explore Amazon Aurora and RDS. These are two powerful managed database services designed to simplify how you run relational databases in the cloud. Amazon RDS Relational Database Service lets you run familiar databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, MariaDB, Oracle, and SQL Server without managing servers. Here are some benefits of Amazon RDS. Automated backups, patching, and failover. Storage and compute scaling with just a few clicks. Can be deployed in multiple availability zones for high availability. And finally, easy integration with EC2, Lambda, and other services. On the other hand, Amazon Aurora is AWS's cloud-native database engine. It is compatible with MySQL and PostgreSQL, but it's been rebuilt for speed, scale, and resilience. This is why Amazon Aurora stands out. 1. It's up to 5 times faster than open source MySQL and up to 3 times faster than open source PostgreSQL. 2. It automatically replicates storage across 3 availability zones. 3. It continuously backs up data to S3 with no performance hit. In the next lesson, we'll walk through launching a database with RDS step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.